In this video, I will show you how to set up your Amazon Firestick for beginners. First, connect all the 4 pieces together: the power plug, the cable, the adapter, the Firestick device. It should look like this. Step 1. Plug the Firestick into your TV's HDMI port. Step 2. Connect the plug into the power outlet and turn it on. Step 3. Turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input. You should now see the Firestick setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote. Step 4. Then, choose your language. Click on Use Remote instead. Step 5. Connect your Firestick to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for it to connect. At this stage, wait for your Fire TV Stick to run updates. Once done, go to the next step. At this stage, use your existing Amazon account. If you are new to Amazon, create a new account. For this video, I will use my existing Amazon account. Step 6. Sign in with your Amazon account. Choose either Sign in online or Sign in with QR code. For this video, I will choose Sign in with QR code. Now, use your mobile phone camera and scan this QR code. Look into your phone and follow short instructions. It's smooth and easy. Once signed in, your Firestick may download updates and restart and will register on Amazon Network. Click Continue and save Wi-Fi password on Amazon Network. It may ask you to choose your TV and also test the volume with your remote control. Follow the on-screen remote instruction and choose correctly. Click on No Thanks and get started. Last step, choose your apps and finish. You can choose to add parental control at this stage. And that is how to set up your Amazon Fire TV Stick for beginners. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe for more simple Fire Stick tutorials.